What's up everybody, it's Matthew here, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and graphic design. If you have a chance, this is my YouTube channel. You can just come here and check some of the courses that I have besides CSS. So as you can see here, I've got the CSS that we're busy with, I've got jQuery, I've got CorelDRAW for beginners, I've got also PHP for beginners. There are also some other playlists like real life PHP and conceptual object-oriented programming. Now let's jump straight into Visual Studio Code. In the last video, we have changed the background of the body element. We have changed the background of a body element to red using the CSS. Now in this video, we are going to link an external style sheet. So let's just copy this, cut, and then we are going to link the external style sheet. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to create a new file. In case you are wondering what am I using, this is Visual Studio Code. It's a code editor. If you want Visual Studio Code, you can just go to Google and search Visual Studio Code download and then download it from there. So we are going to create an external style sheet, and then we're just going to say type style.css. So this is our external style sheet. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy and paste the code that we had on the embedded style. So let's just change this to green so that we can see if we have successfully loaded our CSS. Then again, this is my best tip that I can give you as a beginner. If things go wrong, just relax, don't worry. Get back to your code and see what you are going to change. Obviously, when you are new, you are harsh on yourself. You feel like by now you are supposed to know everything. It happens to the best of us. So when things don't go the way you want, don't mind. Just go back to your code, Google things, go to YouTube and make some research, and that's it. That's how we all learn. Okay, let's continue. In video number 1, I think it's video number 1, we've talked about the basic structure of HTML. The section that we have talked about is the head section. Do you still remember what we said? If you are new in this series, please, this is a CSS series, it's a course. Please go to my YouTube channel, Coded Design, and just check the playlist there. So what we said about this section is that it contains all the things that you won't see visually in the body. So now what we want, we are going to go to the head tag, not the header tag, but the head tag. So the head tag starts here and it ends here. So inside here, what we are going to do, let's just make sure the closing script closes here, and then what we are going to do, we are going to link the external style sheet. So this is how we do that. Let's just quickly click here. As you can see, this is how you link an external style sheet. So you open a link tag. Link tag is one of those HTML tags that doesn't have a corresponding closing tag, so it ends here. So this is how you write a link tag. So this relationship is telling us that the relationship between this HTML and the document that we are going to link, it's a CSS, it's a style sheet. And then inside this href, we need to type the path of this style sheet. So since in our case the style sheet and the index HTML, they are in the same location or folder, we are just going to type here style. As you can see, Visual Studio Code is helping me, style.css. So basically this is how you link an external style sheet. You go to the header section and type link, type the relationship and type the href, and this is the path to this style sheet. So let's save and go to our browser and refresh and see if the background is going to turn green. Hooray! The background is green. That is it for this video. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. If you feel like this video has added value to your overall understanding of CSS, please do me a favor. Just hit that subscribe button to help me to help others. Thank you so much.